If you're a bread enthusiast or simply love the aroma of freshly baked bread filling your home, then you're in for a treat. With the right bread maker machine, you can effortlessly create delicious homemade bread with just the press of a few buttons. In this video, we'll be exploring a selection of the top 5 bread maker machines available on the market. We'll delve into their features, capacities, ease of use, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision when choosing the perfect bread maker for your kitchen. To learn more about the featured bread maker machines and where to purchase them, be sure to check the links in the description box. Now let's dive into the world of the best bread maker machines. CUISINART Bread Maker Machine. Experience the joy of freshly baked bread with the CUISINART Bread Maker Machine. This compact and automatic bread maker brings the art of bread making to your kitchen with customizable settings and the ability to bake up to 2-pound loaves. With CUISINART's cutting-edge technology, you can expect superior crust, color, and texture in every loaf. The 12 pre-programmed menu options make baking a breeze, offering a variety of delicious bread choices. Choose from 3 crust shades, light, medium, or dark, and 3 loaf sizes to perfectly match your preferences. The vertical baking pan design optimizes counter space while delivering full-size results. The removable kneading paddle and bread pan make cleanup effortless, and the viewing window and interior light allow you to monitor the baking process. The LCD display offers a transparent glimpse of countdown time, cycle status, and chosen settings, featuring reminders for mix-ins and paddle removal, along with a 60-minute keep warm cycle. This machine guarantees daily homemade bread perfection. Plus, it comes with a limited 3-year warranty, giving you peace of mind as you enjoy your freshly baked creations. A light gourmet bread maker machine. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a kitchen novice, the Elite Gourmet Bread Maker simplifies and enhances your baking experience, allowing you to enjoy freshly baked goods with ease. This advanced kitchen appliance takes the complexity out of crafting homemade bread, making the process foolproof and automatic. Effortlessly bake an array of artisanal breads, doughs, cakes, and even jams and yogurt with this machine's capacity to create up to a 2-pound loaf in 3 different sizes and its impressive 19 pre-programmed functions, including gluten-free options. Take charge of your ingredients and customize recipes, bidding adieu your preservatives and trans fats. With a 15-hour delay timer and the 60-minute keep warm function, adaptability aligns effortlessly with your schedule, while energy saving and reduced kitchen heat make this bread maker a smart choice over traditional oven baking. Hamilton Beach Bread Maker Machine. The Hamilton Beach Bread Maker Machine simplifies the art of baking fresh, homemade bread in just 3 easy steps. With its 12 versatile program cycles, you can create an array of delicious loaves, from classic white and whole grain to gluten-free options. The machine allows you to customize your bread, offering 3 loaf sizes and 3 crust settings for the perfect texture and taste. The large digital display with a countdown timer makes it effortless to monitor your bread's progress, while the delay start cycle enables you to set it in advance, ensuring warm, freshly baked bread whenever you desire. Cleanup is a breeze, thanks to the dishwasher-safe accessories, including the non-stick bread pan and kneading paddle. Regardless of your baking experience, this bread maker machine opens the door to accessible bread baking for all. The included recipes open up a world of culinary possibilities, allowing you to enjoy a variety of bread types and flavors right at home. Treat yourself and your loved ones to the delightful aroma and taste of freshly baked bread, customized to your liking. Amazon Basics Bread Making Machine. The Amazon Basics Bread Making Machine brings the joy of homemade bread to your kitchen with ease and convenience. Powered by a 550-watt motor, this non-stick bread maker can handle up to a 2-pound loaf capacity, making it ideal for families and bread enthusiasts alike. Benefit from its automated mixing, kneading, rising, and baking operations, allowing you to relish freshly baked bread without the need for manual preparation. The Express Bake setting is perfect for those moments when you're craving warm bread in a hurry, as it bakes a loaf in less than 90 minutes. The machine offers 14 settings, giving you the freedom to experiment with various bread types, doughs, gluten-free options, jams, and more. You can also adjust the crust color to your preference, choosing from light, medium, or dark. The LCD display and intuitive button controls make operating the bread maker a breeze, even for first-time users. Irrespective of your culinary expertise, This bread-making machine will elevate your baking skills and infuse your home with the inviting fragrance of freshly baked bread. NERETVA Bread Maker Machine. Discover the NERETVA Bread Maker Machine, a versatile and innovative addition to your kitchen that brings the joy of homemade bread to a new level. With its 15-in-1 automatic programs, including options like quit bread, gluten-free, French, whole wheat, and even jam, this bread maker offers a world of culinary possibilities. Experience convenience like never before with features such as the intelligent fruit and nut dispenser, which adds ingredients at the perfect moment, and the digital LCD display that simplifies programming. Choose from 3 crust shades and different loaf capacities to suit your preferences, whether you're baking for yourself or your family. The stainless steel design ensures durability and easy maintenance, while the 15-hour delay timer and 1-hour automatic keep warm function allow you to enjoy freshly baked bread at your convenience. The 360 degrees Tudes heating system promotes even heat circulation, resulting in healthier and fresher homemade bread. Cleaning is a breeze with a non-stick pan, kneading paddle, measuring cup, and measuring spoon that can be machine washed. NERETVA's commitment to quality is reinforced by a 1-year warranty and swift customer service response. Thank you for joining us on this flavorful journey to discover the best bread maker machines. We hope you found the information helpful in choosing the perfect bread maker for your kitchen. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out to us. We value your feedback and are here to help.